Here are your community updates for Thursday, July 23rd, brought to you by the Rapidian. Kent County's rate of new COVID-19 cases has decreased slightly over the last week, the Kent County Health Department reported on Wednesday. The decrease comes after weeks of the county's case growth experiencing a resurgence. In the Kent County Health Department's weekly video update, the department director, Dr. Adam London, said the Kent County is now seeing an average of 42 new cases per day. Last week, the county averaged 60 new cases per day, which was twice as much as mid-June. Quote, "We are also seeing the positivity rate, that's the percentage of these tests that come back positive, has come back down a little bit," said Director Dr. Adam London. Continuing, quote, "Last week we were at about 4%. This week we're seeing about 3%, end quote. The director noted that the decreases are encouraging signs for Kent County. Most encouraging to him, however, is that the county's case mortality rate continues to stay very low. The case mortality rate in Kent County is currently 2.5%, while most of Michigan is currently at 8%. There are presently 145 COVID-related deaths confirmed in Kent County, with 5,911 positive cases. The Kent County Health Department offers free COVID-19 testing at various locations throughout Grand Rapids, with information about registering for a test available on its website, www.accesskent.com/health. The City of Grand Rapids Office of Oversight and Public Accountability gave an update on its police reform efforts on Tuesday, which included progress in developing its strategic plan, an upcoming processing trauma event, and an upcoming website focused on reimagining policing in Grand Rapids. During a Tuesday City Commission meeting, OPA Director Brandon Davis outlined the office's draft strategic plan, which community members will be able to provide feedback on. The priorities within the OPA's plan, dubbed CARE Plus, are as follows. Change. The OPA will help improve public safety policies and operations through innovation and collaboration. Accountability. The OPA will help improve individual, supervisory, and organizational accountability for public safety activities through civilian oversight of all public safety operations. Restorative justice. The OPA will help reduce barriers to trust that have been created by systematic inequities in the criminal justice system or that cause disparate outcomes. Engagement and empowerment. The OPA will help enhance communication and education with the public regarding public safety measures. The community will be able to provide feedback on the OPA's strategic priorities starting July 29 on the OPA's website. To help community members process and heal from trauma related to racism and use of force, the OPA is hosting an online processing trauma event on August 12th on its Facebook page. 4 local mental health professionals will join OPA Director Davis and the Office of Equity and Engagement's Director Stacy Stout to discuss related topics and answer community questions. The OPA's new website focused on reimagining Grand Rapids policing will launch next month and, quote, increase transparency by providing easy access to information regarding the city's police reform efforts, end quote. Visitors to the site will be able to review budgets, memos, presentations, and other information, as well as provide feedback. More details about the OPA's police reform efforts are available in its full update available on the City of Grand Rapids website, www.grandrapidsmi.gov. Girls Rock Grand Rapids, a week-long summer camp empowering girls, women, and non-binary residents through music, is going virtual this year in light of the pandemic. A program of Granville Avenue Arts and Humanities, the camp has taken place at Cook Arts Center every August since 2013. This year, it will be held via Zoom, Soundtrap, and unplugged workshop kits from August 10th through August 14th. Each year, Girls Rock campers get to participate in instrument lessons, workshops, band forming, songwriting, and logo and album art creation. They also get to enjoy performances by other women musicians around the Grand Rapids area. Eligible ages for participating in Girls Rock are 8 to 18 years old. 2 online applications are available, depending on age, and it's open to all non-binary and trans youth who are aged 8 to 18 years old. First priority for 2020's camper spots will be going to youth living in the Roosevelt Park and Black Hills neighborhoods. More details about Girls Rock Grand Rapids are available on its website, www.girlsrockgr.org. And as always, the Rapidian encourages local residents to share your own stories and perspectives on the Rapidian's platform. To learn more or to get started as a community reporter yourself, you can visit www.therapidian.org/write. This message is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. We'll see you soon.